Egg tray is made of waste paper. It's a kind of environmental protection package. First, the waste paper will be made into pulp in the pulping machine. The egg tray production then has three pools: a pulping pool, a water pool, and a regulating pool. This is the regulating pool. The water that the forming machine can't use up will be recycled and flow into the regulating pool for reuse. Yellow pigment is added to the water that makes the egg tray. The pulp enters the forming machine through the suction pump. The egg tray is placed by hand after formed. You can also connect a mesh belt dryer, and the formed egg trays can be transported into the dryer through the mesh belt. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us.